it is not all the time we usually have trade like this, okay? And of course, whenever we have an opportunity to take a trade like this, it is always a good trading opportunity. So right here, if you remember a few days ago, we actually milked this particular asset to this very end, okay? But when it got to this support zone, tried out this support zone, didn't go too far, okay, because it was unable to break out from the support zone. So it came down again. And of course, I remember very well, I created a video content telling you about this particular asset. This is FX volume 80, and I dropped a signal on this particular trade even within the Telegram channel. I said, since this is unable to break out from this support zone and it has switched into an uptrend, it has tried it out around here, it didn't break out, and tried it out again, still unable to break out. And if you should look at the market structure, it also goes along with our indicator, okay? This is giving us a W vibe, and this is the last leg of W. And each time you are having the last leg of W, it is always going to be a buy, and in most cases it goes for a very long time. And it is also from a support zone, okay, a major support zone, which is one of the best area for you to start buying from, okay? If there is no breakout, then there should be switching in direction of the trend. And if you should look at my trading tools, the indicator that I am having on the chart, it was right at this point till it got to this support zone, and at this point it switched into an uptrend from this red to this yellow color and gave us this blue signal, which is a buy signal, and it goes along with this yellow color. The yellow color signifies an uptrend. So when we saw this, we quickly set up our trades, okay? This is our confirmation from all level, from TA, from my custom made indicator, from everything which we can put together to have a successful trading opportunity. And of course, these are confirmations that we saw before we went into this trade. Okay, guys, if you want to have a profitable trade like this, if you want to be creating profitable trading signals like this, then you need to watch this video to the end. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course, guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Yeah, I will be there to reply you. This is my WhatsApp number. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said, we came across this particular setup, and of course, it gave us a very good entry point at this point. And just like we have known, we had our stop loss at this point. Okay, so right from there, check out our trading results. Okay, this actually lasted for like 3 to 4 days, I think 3 days. Okay, and of course, this is so beautiful. TP1 achieve, TP2 achieve, TP3 achieve, 4, 5. Okay, that's so amazing. That's 5 TPs achieved. Okay, and it's so beautiful, so amazing. This is a long trading opportunity, long time trading opportunity, and I'm really happy we are able to achieve this together. Okay, so right here is also another opportunity which we also milked. This was an uptrend before, but got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out from there, so I marked it out with this magenta colored horizontal line. Okay, and of course, I try to see if it's going to switch, or probably it's going to break out from the resistance zone. But in this situation, it switched into a downtrend from this yellow color into this red color and gave me a sell signal, which is the red arrow. So quickly, when I saw that, I put my stop loss here, and of course, my entry point and all my TPs set out. Okay, TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved. Okay, I had to take this TP3 because of this. Okay, right here is a support region which can push the market backward. Okay, however, if it breaks out from there, I know it's going to achieve the last two TPs. Okay, and of course we were able to achieve the last two TPs. Okay, so that's so amazing, guys. So congratulations to those who are able to milk this particular asset with me. Okay, so guys, in case you are wondering which which strategy are we using to generate this signal? Okay, I will explain that in details right now, but before I do that, I also have an asset which I want us to analyze right here, and this might be another unique opportunity for us, but wait until I describe the strategy for you. Okay, so this strategy is called the trend trading strategy. It only means that you only trade in direction of a particular trend. Okay, so that is what it means. So which means for you to trade this particular, for you to trade using this particular strategy, you must be able to identify your trend. Okay, not only identification of trend, you should be able to say when the trend is starting, and the trend always starts whenever it is switching. Okay, so which means you need to be able to identify when we usually have a switching period like this. Okay, right here is a switching period when a trend, okay, this is the trend that we saw at the beginning. Okay, and of course when it got to this resistance zone, it switched over into a downtrend and gave us this. And that is why we're able to milk it right from the beginning to this very moment. Okay. And of course, now that means that before we can trade this, it means that we must be able to identify the current trend and see if we can move on with the current trend. If we cannot move on with the current trend, then we have to wait till we get to a place where we are most likely to have a switch of trend happening. Okay, so and where is that place that we are most likely to have a switch of trend happening? And those places are the support region and the resistance region. In this situation, when the market is on uptrend, so it's usually switch into a downtrend at the resistance zone. When the market is on downtrend, it usually switch the trend at the support zone. So in this situation, it is on uptrend. So all you need to do is to target the resistance zone, and right here is the resistance zone. So because it has gotten to the resistance zone does not mean that it is going to switch the trend at the resistance zone. So you need to give it time, study it to know if it will break out above the resistance zone or it will switch the direction of the trend, because it can also break out from here. If it breaks out from here, then it will continue with the uptrend until it gets to the next resistance zone. Okay, before you can say, okay, will it switch the trend at that particular time? Okay, so there are two things that can happen from those zones, that is from either the support or resistance zone. There can be a breakout and there can be a switch in the direction of the trend. So that is why you need to be patient enough before you jump into your trade. So at this point, it got to this point, you can see it made the first attempt, it was unable to break out, pulled back, went back up again to try it again, still unable to break out, and this time around it switched it into a downtrend. Okay, you might not be able to figure this out without the help of an indicator like this on your own. Okay, and that is because you might not be able to say if it's going to switch it immediately. Okay, so it might take some time before you later know that it is going to switch it. Okay, and that will have gone far a bit. So in this situation, because of our trading tool, we were able to see it when it was switching it from this yellow color to this red color. And of course, it also gave us a sell signal, which gives us an opportunity to plug into the trade right from the beginning. Okay, so we plugged into it, and of course, we also set our stop loss because we know that we don't have the full control of the market. We are not the only one transacting within this market. So this can still get to this region and go back up and break out above the resistance zone. So if that happens, it will get to our stop loss, and our stop loss will take us out of the market. So that way we are reducing the amount we are risking in the market to a very, very small amount. Okay, so that's so amazing. So after our activating our entry point, then we're able to set up our TPs also right from there. So you can see TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, 4 achieved, and 5 achieved. That is how we are able to do this. Okay, you too can also do it for your from your end if you really understand how to go about it, most especially if you can identify some of these things which I have highlighted in this video. Okay, now let's check out GainX 1200. I told you that there is an opportunity with GainX 1200, and this is 15-minute time frame. You guys can actually benefit from this opportunity. GainX 1200 had been playing around after getting to this support zone. It tried to go back on uptrend. You can see the switching happen around there. But if you should notice, it got to this resistance zone, pull back, went back up again, pull back, went back up again. So which means this has been moving within this channel. Okay, it has been moving within this channel, and this has been happening for like 2 days like this because I've been keeping an eye on it. I am actually expecting it to buy. Now, let me show you something. Let me show you something. You can see yesterday it got to this region, and this time around it went back up and tried to break out from here. This is what I've been waiting for. The breakout is what I've been waiting for. I'm going to take you to H1 just for you to have a better look at what I am trying to explain to you guys, the opportunity that we have here. See, guys, this has been on downtrend for long. This is where it has been playing. Forget about the fact that it looks so big on 15-minute time frame. It is because it has been playing within a certain point for a very long time. So it helps that area to be magnified. Okay, it is not as big as that. So this is what has been happening around here, and this is the breakout I was waiting for. This has actually got into the support zone already. You can see it came back to the support zone at this region before going back up, giving us an uptrend signal. And this time around the momentum was so strong, and of course it was able to break out above this resistance zone. Okay, so we are just waiting for the candle to stop, I mean to close false before we will have a good entry point. But check out what I'm trying to show you guys. We have free space to milk right here. So this is going to be a long buying opportunity. Okay, we are expecting it to get to this region. Okay, let me try and close some, I mean delete some um lines here so that we will have a better understanding of what we are doing here. So these are some of the things that we are looking out for. So guys, this is the final place we wanted to get to, at least for now. Okay, for now. And of course, right here are some highlighted areas for TP session which you can take advantage of. Okay, so that is it. So this is going to be a long buying opportunity for those that prefer to buy KNX 1200. So you guys can take advantage of that right away. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.